We use spinach powder in our smoothies when we don't have fresh spinach growing in the garden. So when we have got plenty of spinach growing in the garden, or we acquire a heap of spinach, then making spinach powder is a really good way to preserve your spinach. Hi guys, I'm Elissa at Moat, Cottage Homesteading, the small space homesteading channel. Now you need a heap of spinach to get this much powder. And when I say a heap, I mean a box, a big box full. You can use any type of spinach, from perpetual spinach to English spinach. This is English spinach and I'll show you how to do it. Wash and dry your spinach, just pat it dry with a tea towel, then spread it out on your tray. Now with spinach, or English spinach at least, you don't need to leave gaps in between. What you do need to make sure you do is to make sure the next tray is able to sit flat and that you don't have any bits of spinach sticking out the sides. And just keep putting the layers on each tray. Dehydrated spinach is a really good space saver, but you really do need a lot, so it's only good if you've got a lot growing. Set your dehydrated temperature to around 49 degrees Celsius, that's 120 Fahrenheit, and check your dehydrator every couple of hours and see how the spinach is going. When it's nice and crispy and like an autumn leaf, nice and dry, then you can put it in your blender and blend it up. Make sure it's 100% dry though, because if it's got any moisture in it, the powder will go mouldy. So we'll blend that up and put it into a container to seal it. It's perfect in smoothies. And it's very concentrated, so you don't need much. Cheers. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them below. And if you'd like to see more of what we're doing here on our small space homestead, or you want to learn more about small space homesteading, then check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.